So ventilation is a very important part of the good old glass blowing industry. So definitely, you want to have your windows open, possibly a couple fans set up, if not a true ventilation system. Also, I upgraded my ventilation system recently with a mask. Now, the mask doesn't... Well, it's better for you than not wearing one, but it doesn't carry all the stuff away from you, but it does keep it out of your lungs. This is an actual, 3M. It's an NIOSH, and that's the kind that you want. It's a specific kind for, really small particles, such as, vaporized glass and that such. And these guys right here, boom, replaceable, come off, you buy new ones. You pretty much just take the white part out, and that's the filter, and you replace that. And this guy is pretty much good for life as long as you don't break them. And with this, you can stay a little bit safer and hopefully live a little bit longer.